Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com, and this is the first in probably a weekly video series that I'm doing looking at what's happening in the world of Windows 10 and Windows 10 builds for Windows Insiders. I'm going to be looking at some of the development in Windows 10 and also some of the test versions of Windows 10 which you can test through the Microsoft Windows Insider program, which will include a link at the bottom of this video and on the digitallifestyle.com post that goes with this as well. I've actually written an article how you can join the Windows Insider program and test Windows 10, so make sure you check out that. So this week we're going to start with the news that Microsoft have announced the official name of the next update of Windows 10, and I'm here, let's not rate that, I'm here on my Surface Go, which is running what will be the May 2019 update. So the May 2019 update is here on my Surface Go. It's codenamed 19H1, and in the build it's actually 1903. So if I go onto my machine and do a WinVer, you'll see here that I'm running 1903. The build number is 18362.1, and Microsoft are going to be releasing that build, well, an updated version of that build, to the release preview ring next week, and then it's going to roll out to Windows users later in May. What this means, it's got a new feature update for Windows 10. I've done a separate video of that as well, of all the changes. There's some really nice changes in that, including looking at the release Windows Mixed Reality and new settings and some new UI features as well, so make sure you check out that video. Again, that video will be on the digitallifestyle.com, our YouTube channel. One of the changes that Microsoft announced yesterday is, unlike previous versions of the Windows 10 feature updates automatically update, you'll now get the option to install it. So previously you go into settings, check for updates. If I do this now, it's actually going to start downloading a new build, I suspect. Let's have a look. So if I check for updates now, I think we'll get the cumulative update to this, because I'm on the fast ring, so we'll get an update. But normally your machine would check for updates, or you would check for updates, and then if there was a new feature update available, it would download and install. The only option you really had was to postpone the reboot. It would come down whether you like it or not. Starting from the May update, you'll now get the option you see here of download and install now, or you can just carry on receiving patches and security updates to your current build of Windows 10. Only when the build gets out of support, or close to out of support, will they start forcing that update on you, which means you've got way more control over your builds and over your updates of Windows 10. It does mean that there's going to be more people on the older distributions of Windows 10, but eventually they'll catch up as each feature release gets out of support, and Microsoft, then you'll get pushed onto the next one. So it's a change in philosophy, and I know a lot of people have been upset by the way Windows updates work, and now you're not going to get that. So here you see I've just checked for updates. I'm on my Surface Go here running a fast ring build. I'm on 18362.1 you've seen, and .30 is coming up, so that's a cumulative update. Now once 19H1 is done, then we're going to get on to 19H2, the second half of 2019. We haven't had any builds for that yet, although I suspect they'll come to the fast ring pretty soon, probably May, April, so end of May into June. But we are actually currently getting 20H1 builds, and we're on build 18865, and I think I've got a video, there you go, you can watch that on our YouTube channel as well. And we've had a few of these 20H1 builds. These are due the first half of next year. The reason why we're getting these now, Microsoft says, because there's more under hood changes involved with this, to do with the Windows core being synced up with the Azure development core, and so they need some more time to test it. So I've been doing hands-on videos with these builds, but there's not a huge amount of changes, but you can check those out on there, and I'll continue doing the videos with them. So that's the current state with the Windows Insider builds. We've got 18362 for insiders on the fast and slow ring. Release preview going next week. Skip ahead option is 18865. So I forgot to mention, for skip ahead is the option in the Windows Insider settings to give you builds for not for the next build development of Windows 10, but the one after that, which is what I was showing you there. I should also mention as well, I've got some posts on HoloLens updates as well. These are getting updates 17763, which was a fix for some issues with .NET. The HoloLens isn't getting the 19H1 May 2019 update that I know of yet. So that's where we are now with the Windows Insider program on the builds. What I'm going to do, each time there's a new build, I do a hands-on video with it, and so make sure you subscribe and so you can check out those. But then I'm going to do a weekly wrap-up in this style. I also could do your questions as well, so if you want to send me questions to ian@thedigital-lifestyle.com, or you can tweet @isdixon, and I'll ensure I include those. If you've got any troubleshooting issues, any questions about builds, when you're getting them, when you're not getting them, or build numbers, or anything like that, let me know and we'll see. And if there's any suggestions for these weekly videos, let me know and I'll try and tweak the format. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on thedigital-lifestyle.com, on our YouTube channel. Hit like or subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.